Hey everybody, how are you? I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi. This is Mom Minutes, a short practice for moms or anyone who just doesn't have a lot of time to practice. We're gonna get started right away. Come on into your ragdoll. Feet at the front edge of your mat. If you don't have a mat, doesn't matter. Set your feet about hips width distance apart. Hang forward. Put a bend in your knees. If you want to bring your hands to your elbows, you can. If you want to bring your hands to the ground or to props, you can. Feel your feet. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Again, together, let's take a deep breath in. And a big exhale. One more time. Big breath in. Then a big breath out. Open your mouth, soften your jaw. Take just a breath or two more here. Maybe a little bit of movement to your head. Maybe some movement in your body. Notice that there's a whole lot of movement in your head, your thinking mind. If there's a lot of movement in your environment around you right now, that's okay. You can be right here, right now. This is a really short practice. We don't have to rush it. Right, once more, take a big breath in. Then a big exhale. If you're holding your elbows, release your hands. Walk your feet closer together to touch. Ground through your feet, rise to stand. Come all the way up. Take a really big breath in. Fold forward, exhale. Find your halfway lift, flat back, inhale. Now with your hands on your mat, step your left foot back behind you. Come on into a runner's lunge. You can walk your right foot a little to your right. Hands can be on your mat, maybe on props if you want a little bit of lift. As you inhale, begin to straighten your right leg really to your own degree. And as you exhale, bend your right knee. Let your shoulders roll back, belly draws in and up, heart lifts. Inhale, straightening, lengthening your right leg, hips lift. Exhale, bending into your right knee. So we'll move through these a couple of times. Move with breath, inhaling and lengthening, exhaling and bending. And it's okay if there's not a big difference between your bent knee and your straight leg, right? Just moving your breath and moving your body. Inhaling, lifting your hips and lengthening. Exhaling, coming back to your runner's lunge, bending your right knee. Now your left hand under your left shoulder. Twist to your right. Take your right arm up to the sky. And if you want to drop your back knee for a little bit more support, go for it. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in, feel your left hand on your mat, feel your right hand reach high. Exhale, bring your right hand down to your mat. Step back to your high push-up, high plank. Forward and halfway down, low push-up. You can drop your knees or come all the way down. Inhaling, upward facing dog, maybe a cobra or a low cobra. Take an extra breath in. Exhale, back to your downward dog or your child's pose. Take a long breath in. Then a long breath out. Take another big inhale. And as you exhale, make your way to your hands. Step or jump. Find your halfway lift. Inhale. Fold forward. Exhale. Inhale. Come on up to stand. Hands reach high. Lift your heart. Look up. Fold forward. Exhale. Halfway lift. Inhale. With your hands on your mat, step your right foot back for your runner's lunge. And you can take your left foot a little to your left. Now your hands on the ground or on props or even on the ankle. As you inhale, start to lift your hips and lengthen your left leg. Exhale, bend into your left knee. You can draw your low belly in up, a little bit of lift to your chest and your heart. Inhaling, lifting your hips to your own degree, lengthen your left leg. Exhale, bend that left knee, shoulders back, heart lifts. Inhale, lift your hips and lengthen. Exhale, bend your front knee. So a couple more times, just like this, feeling that you can move your body and move your breath, create a shift in your energy. Feel that you can really go with the flow. One more time. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, bend your left knee. Right hand under your right shoulder, twist to your left. Take your left hand up to the sky. Right knee can stay lifted, or you can bring it down. Connect into your right hand, lift out of your right shoulder. Feel your left foot on your mat. Take a big breath in. Right here, a long breath out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Once more, big inhale. As you exhale, left hand comes down, left foot steps back, high push-up, high plank, forward and halfway down, low push-up, upward dog. Take a big breath in, downward dog, breath out. Take a big inhale and a big exhale. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Once more, big inhale. And a big exhale. Now bring your knees down to your ground. Bring your knees down to the ground or to your mat. Walk your hands back. We're going to set up for a really gentle camel. You can have your toenails on your mat or tuck your toes under. Hands to your hips. Hands to your low back. Hands to your hips or hands to your low back. Really nice option. And usually you reach back for your heels. If you feel loose enough to do that, you can go for it. But otherwise, just a supported camel. Hands at your hips. Hips moving forward, lengthening through the sides of your body. Heart lifts up. If it works, you can lift your gaze up. Maybe you drop your head back. Really gentle with your neck here. Take a big breath in. Then a long breath out. Breathe in. Breathe out. As you inhale, gently come on up through center. Come to your tabletop. Couple of cat-cows. Inhaling, lifting your gaze and your tailbone, your belly drops. Exhaling, rounding your spine. So again, movement with breath. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Nice, everyone. Come to a neutral spine. Make your way into your downward facing dog. One more downward facing dog. Take a really big inhale through your nose. Open your mouth, empty out. You can bring your knees down to your mat. Walk your hands back, come to seated. Pause for a moment. Bring your hands to your heart just for a moment. Let's take a deep breath in together. Then a long exhale. Once more, breathe in. And breathe out. Thank you for joining me for this short practice today. I hope it was helpful for you. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you're notified as new videos come out. I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. I'll see you on your mat.